Lake Balaton is in central Hungary, and the easternmost tip of the lake is about an hour's drive southwest from downtown Budapest. Balaton's popularity among residents is partly motivated by its closeness to the country's capital. In a matter of minutes you may be strolling through rural vineyards and enjoying fresh white wine with the most stunning views, far from Budapest's old concrete streets. The lake is the biggest in Central Europe, with a total length of 77 kilometers and a surface area of 598 square kilometers. Balaton hasn't been caught in the past, despite changing travel preferences. It attracts a large number of wakeboarders, kitesurfers and stand-up paddleboarders, as well as sunbathers. Beyond the lake, Balaton is rebuilding itself as Hungary's most interesting culinary area outside of Budapest and is becoming an excellent destination for music and arts. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. International musicians and massive crowds go to summer music events including Balaton Sound, one of Europe's largest open-air music festivals, with bungee jumping and the party boat and Veszprémfest, an open-air concert hosted at several places throughout the picturesque cobblestone town of Veszprém. Valley of Arts, an annual event in Kapolsk that transforms the typically tranquil town into a showcase for local artists, take place towards the end of July. It's one of Balaton's most unique experiences, with 1,500 activities spread out over 10 days. Some of Hungary's best vineyards are found in the hilly slopes surrounding Lake Balaton, which provides numerous diverse microclimates. These wines sparked a new generation of restaurants around the lake that focused on local products, warm atmospheres, and excellent cookery.